Hello dan selamat datang ke satu lagi episod Jom Berjimat Hearthstone. So aku ada gunakan duit aku itu duit bukan duit betul tapi duit in-game currency lah yang datang ni untuk membuka the first level of Karazhan. Night at Karazhan, whatever. So yeah, I'll choose this one. And first, aku harap boleh main yang game yang first tu, which is the free game, the preview, promo, whatever. So yeah, aku ingat nak main datang ni. Okay. So hero power dia adalah Summoner 6-6 Abyssal. Abyssal. Silap, terikut. Si Anis tu asyik cakap benda salah. Kau tahu tak? Dia panggil Cthulhu as Sitalha. Cthulhu as Sitalha. It's an interesting pronunciation of the word and reveals some possible brain problems. Bukan problems, conditions. Sebab kalau kau sebut benda dengan cara lain, sebenarnya it could be because your brain ada benda yang lain sikit or some shit like that. So the wires are crisscrossed. So anyway, it's an interesting thing. So banyaknya. Aku punya power. Boleh lah kot. Well,
After last time, we're still fixing the hole in the roof.
yes. Tambah je lah. Sebab ni lawan dengan komputer, so dia punya behaviour agak predictable. Oh shit. Oh, okay.
Morose, check on the chess set. The real guests will be arriving soon.
Shit. Oh man, what the hell? Oh, nothing I can do. Okay. Pakai je lah. Alright.
Sir, the Medivhas are set up. Barnes is rehearsing with them now.
God, that's a lot of damage. Power gila. It's rude. It's good. Defense first.
Job's done.
Cool. Alright. Very good.
Have you looked outside, sir? There are raid bosses scrambling for an invitation.
Pump up. Pump up. Holy shit. This another secret. Destroy. Oh man. What can I do? I can kill one.
I wanna be just like Medivh.
Salah. Kalau tak mati. Well, memang tak mati lah sebab kita ada one of the secrets.
Sir, balloons terrify Murlocs. Remember last week?
Yeah. Same cost is only 2. Taunt, bagus. Yeah. Alright. Oh no. Well, that's good. Wait. 6. Summon a legendary minion. Come on, come on. Taunt! Give me a taunt! What's this? Alright, cool. Kau dia attack aku semua 18 campur 21, 26.
He's amazing! And he didn't torch the library.
Yes. Ugh. Ugh. 12 damage to a minion. Oh shit, I should have used this. Oh no, never mind, never mind. 12 damage to a minion. 8 damage. Come on. Oh no. I'm gonna lose. Come on, give me one hand, give me one something good. Alright. I need to sacrifice a bit. Yes! Alright. Should have used flame strikers now. Yeah. Okay, are you done? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, yes.
I wanna be just like Medivh.
Oh, that's just good. Enter.
From the void I come.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I wanna be just like Medivh.
Yes.
Another test.
Yes. Ah. So this is how I'm really powerful.
I've been inside that
Yeah.
all my life.
Fantastic. Yeah, let's see now. Oh, yes. Yes. Let's do this again. Spell damage. Yeah. Dah menang ni tapi saja. Yeah, so nice playing this thing. Saja je sebab dah menang. Yeah.
Another test. Another test.
Yes. And then. Uh,
Back to your home, demon.
Back to your home, demon bitch, motherfuckers. Yeah. So ceritanya ialah Mamat ni telah
Well, this isn't good. This
diculik
isn't
oleh seekor demon. So sekarang kita kena pergi menyelamatkan dia. Okay. Cepat le. Allah. Okay. That's the first one. So
without Medivh. The tower is
sekarang
out.
kita akan lawan Golem. Aku dah pakai beberapa karakter, beberapa deck yang berlainan untuk buat benda ni. So maybe aku try pakai Rogaya sebab lama dah tak pakai. Walaupun deck ni tak adalah kuat sangat, tapi dia punya power tak power sangat for this one. So yes. Oh yeah.
Valera versus the Silverware Golem.
Watch your
Assassin's Blade sprint is later in the game. Later confirm. Come on, give me something to sing about it. Whatever. Tak, power dia adalah summon a 1/1 play.
Together,
Cool.
we're surrounded.
Sebab tu aku pakai Rogaya. Sebab dia akan summon Zeko. A spoon. Yeah. So next kita akan summon. Kita akan pakai ni, dapatkan wicked knife and
Here
kita
we go.
guna binatang. Yes. Okay. Summon apa benda pula? It's a taunt. It's annoying. Yes. Okay, 3. See, let's just do this thing.
Don't mess with Tusker.
Here we go.
Yes. Mm. 4. Should do this one. Oh, should do 2. I think we should prioritize this lah, actually.
Here we go.
Clearkan dulu sebab bahaya. And then enter. Okay. Sure. That's what we should do this, definitely. Make a summon please. Please have charge. Okay, that's not so bad. Alright, we're done. Let's put this one there. The Stinger. And then, no. Invasion. So let's do this instead. Okay. Summon another plate. What you gonna do now?
Need a drink?
Plus 1 attack. Alright. Bam. Alright. Okay. Kobo Geomancer. Bukan maksudnya. 6 eh. 6. Shit. Bazir. Well.
We must cleanse the Sunwell.
Okay. Tengok apa dia buat. Sebab dia bodoh. So, biarlah dia. Nak attack. Attack lah. Kau tak nak attack.
Get your funnel cakes here.
Oh, thank you.
Need a drink?
Should have led with that one. Okay. Deal 2 damage. Bunuh satu. Apa ni? Alright. Kenapa aku bunuh mata ni? Sebab nanti dia orang punya ni akan kekurangan. Apa ni? Deal 3 damage to an undamaged minion. Actually, matang ni boleh. Yes.
Push forward.
Assassin's Blade.
Here we go.
It's okay. Alright. Another plate. Good. Summon another one.
You're gonna fight? Everybody gonna fight.
Summon 5 plates. If you place plus 1. Yes, aku harap Fan of Knives. I need Fan of Knives. Oh, fucking hell. Shit, man. This is bad. Oh, this is bad. 14 macam ni. Aku tak ada guna ni. Aku tak ada masuk ni. Sprint 1, Fan of Knives tak guna. Oh yeah. shit. Oh, baru keluar. Kind of nice. Babi betul. Okay.
Here we go.
Okay, fine. Kobold dah mati pula dah. Kobold tu. Alah, aku dah kalah. Kalah. Tak best lah main macam ni. Allah, ni banyak ni kad dia. Draw. Fan of Knives. Tak ada benda yang boleh tingkatkan aku punya ni. Oh shit. I'm done. Oh fucking hell. Well, kita try. Tak guna pun. Sekejap. Maybe aku just
We must cleanse the Sunwell. Here we
dengan harapan dia cuba bunuh aku sebab dia binatang yang bodoh. Dia try bunuh binatang ni dulu lah. Tapi kalau dia bunuh aku lah, dia bunuh aku, dia mati dah. Loser. Sudah mati. Okay. Nampaknya binatang ni bukanlah yang sesuai untuk aku. Rogue dia nak removal benda sikit-sikit. Tak ada. So, wait, what should I do? Should I get a paladin? I think I should get a paladin. I should use a pala butuh untuk lawan, bukan Rogaya. Rogaya nampak macam tak sesuai. So, yeah. Itu aku main sekali dah dapat dah. Aku pakai, dah menang lah pakai. So, pala butuh. Maybe. Let's try this one. We fight spam minion dengan spam minion. Tapi tak adalah. Ni, sepatutnya nak lawan benda tu, kalau nak pakai benda sama, ialah pakai Murloc. Tapi tak lah sebenarnya. Fuck. Aku silap. Sepatutnya aku pakai ni, Mage. Memang aku menang itu pakai Mage sebab dia boleh attack satu. Never mind. Mage would work. Mage ada Flame Strike. Shit. Kita tengok macam mana ni. Kalau tu aku akan concede, lepas tu aku akan main Mage. Not this one. Okay. Okay, not so bad. First turn dia akan summon a plate.
The silverware is working together. We're surrounded.
Harap dia satu. Okay, I'm gonna do this first. Dengan harapan dia akan bunuh mata ni atau dia akan attack. Alright, cool. Pakailah kau punya weapon ke apa ke. Okay. Equip weapon. Tolonglah equip weapon kau. Oh shit. No, it's not a weapon. Fucking hell. Take this shit. Oh man.
we must cleanse the Sunwell.
Not doing good. Kau bayangkan kalau aku pakai mage, aku boleh bunuh ni mana-mana ni sebenarnya. So a mage would be the perfect one sebenarnya. Should have used a mage. Yes. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Oh, okay, that's not bad.
the Sunwell.
Okay. Okay, let's see now. Yes, the best is actually still mage. Vagina, patut pakai vagina. 6. Ooh, it's not bad. Oh. What the hell was that? Right. Alright. Ah. Oh, that's not bad. Okay. Let's restore some health. 4.
For justice.
Okay. Let's do this one.
Reporting for duty.
Oh,
Get down!
lucky itu bagus. Very well. Fantastic. Huh. Very good.
Need a drink?
Oh, that's good.
Handle it! Reporting for duty.
That's good. Let's just attack this one.
The battle!
Okay.
Funnel cakes! Get your funnel cakes
Oh,
here!
thank you. Okay. Spoon. Okay. Alright. Oh, yes. Okay, so we can have this one. Another one.
Reporting for duty.
Street attack. Sacrifice this one.
The battle! I have more cakes! Hit it very hard.
Give that man a turn to get ready.
Okay. Kenapa aku biar? Sebab dia ada benda yang boleh tambah semua plate tu. So kalau aku buang pun dia replenish je. Okay. Give me something. Oh, finally. Taunts.
Bingo! Yes! Reporting for duty. The battle!
This one can survive. But then apa ni? 20 10, 10, 15. Okay.
Hit it very hard.
Okay, we might win. Tapi aku nak try rematch pakai mage. Vagina pula. Oh. Oh, that's stupid.
Shields up.
Because I've already won this.
Oh, that one was an antique.
Yes, thank you.
What a mess.
Aku tak boleh buka episod baru sampai aku dapat 700 coin. Tapi just for fun, this second one. Dia bukan Magic Mirror tau. Magic Mirror susah. So aku nak try
Well,
lawan Silverware Golem pakai vagina. Something that was designed to win against this thing. So tomorrow mungkin aku akan mainkan yang apa? Magic Mirror dengan chess tu. Chess tu simple gila lah. Kau tak payah strategi sangat pun boleh menang. Aku tak pernah kalah chess. Tapi yang satu lagi tu memang patut separate video sebab susah. Apa susah ni? Vagina. Vagina. It's fun. I go first. Okay, not bad. Ada thought awal-awal. First turn, draw card. Okay, ada thought dulu aku. Enter.
working together. We're surrounded.
Spoon, oh that's good. Tapi tu satu je, so maybe aku just buang lah sama satu. Bukan pasal apa, sebab dia ada weapon yang lagi power pada belakang. Spoon ni bukan bagus ke? Okay, weapon yang lagi power. Oh, okay, not bad. Alright. Oh, that's good. Tapi kita bunuh dia. Very good. Okay. Right. Sebab next turn aku akan mainkan Taunt. Stingo, motherfuckers. So on the 5th turn aku akan mainkan satu lagi Taunt.
Need a drink?
Satu lagi Taunt. Oh, that's good. One Taunt. This is first one attack. Kita attack mana? Yes. Okay. Alright. Okay. So I'm gonna do this first. Come on. Dua ekor ni. Oh, thank God. Thank you. Alright. Cool. Frostbolt. Tak guna. Tak apa. Enter. Okay. Let's see what happens now. One. Okay. Okay. Nak bunuh dua ekor pun tak guna sangat lah. Oh, kau dia freeze juga. Pun tak guna juga. So what am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna freeze this guy. I'm gonna kill one of these things and kill this one. And I'm gonna just do this. Okay, alright. Aku harap dia macam refill semua benda ada plate. Sama, yes, thank you. Thank you. Hmm. 4 damage, 2 damage, and freeze them. I think I'll use this one.
That one was an antique.
Okay. Dia akan bunuh aku pakai dia punya benda ni. Tapi sebab ada satu plate tu. Oh, I thought. Okay, no problem. Alright, cool. Aku nak. What's this? Alright, cool. Aku nak dia replenish plate dia semua. Sama lagi 5 plates. Nak buat dah. Oh, tak berani kau eh. Okay. Alright, alright. Come on. Water elemental. Sha. Bunuh lah semua. Alright. Tactical. Ha. Simpan semua ni. Okay, lagi. Oh. Thank you. Flame strike. So, okay. 2, can do bunch of damage. Put the hanging. Right. Here. This one, get the alright.
Funnel cakes! Get your funnel cakes here!
Marcus Souls roll 3 cards. Well, lagi senang untuk control kalau kau nampak pakai vagina punya deck daripada pakai apa-apa deck yang lain. Oh, thank you. Oh, fantastic. Okay, alright. We're in control. Walaupun this is not the most optimized deck lah sebab sure. It's not the most optimized deck sebab sebab kalau kau fikir sebenarnya the most optimized sebab okay, that's not because ada spell yang tak perlu macam ni nak transform ni tak payah sebab dia punya orang bodoh
Cleanse the Sunwell.
Bang. See? It's easier kalau pakai Vagina punya deck, which is the mage deck, itu deck lain. And Paladin pun boleh pakai lah. Kalau Rogayah memang tak sesuai lah. Okay, fine. Alright, itu saja. Oh, yeah, of course, So anyway, it's good. Yeah, it's good enough. So itu saja untuk hari ini. Cepatlah. Jadi untuk hari ini kita berjumpa lagi pada masa akan datang bila aku akan berlawan dengan Magic Mirror, which is more difficult. Aku penat ni, so aku nak pergi tidur sekarang. Esok ada hari yang panjang lagi. Terima kasih, bye.